Alright, here's a script for a YouTube video on how to add Safari extensions on iPhone. Easy guide for the RoamTips.com channel. Intro music, up to 5 seconds. Host *. Hey everyone, and welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're tackling a super useful topic for all you iPhone users, Safari extensions. Screen showing iPhone Safari. Host *. Have you ever wished you could do more with Safari on your iPhone? Block ads, manage passwords, translate pages, or even edit code right in your browser? Well, guess what? You can. Safari extensions on iPhone have opened up a whole new world of possibilities. Host *. In this video, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to find, install, and manage Safari extensions on your iPhone. It's easier than you might think, and it can seriously boost your browsing experience. Short, engaging B-roll footage of someone using Safari extensions on their iPhone. Host *. Before we dive in, if you're finding value in our tips, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you're new here, subscribe to RoamTips.com for more travel and tech tips. Transition to screen recording of iPhone. Host *. Okay, let's get started. First things first, you need to make sure you're running iOS 15 or later. Most of you probably are, but it's worth double-checking in your iPhone settings. Show screen recording of checking iOS version in settings-general-about. Host *. Now, here's the key, Safari extensions are actually apps that you download from the App Store. That's right. You don't add them directly through Safari. Open App Store on iPhone. Host *. Open up the App Store and search for Safari extension. You'll find a bunch of options. Some are free, some are paid. Popular examples include ad blockers like AdGuard, password managers like 1Password or LastPass if you use them, or translation apps. Scroll through various Safari extensions in the App Store. Host *. Let's say we want to install an ad blocker. I'm going to download AdGuard. Just tap Get, and install it like you would any other app. Install AdGuard from the App Store. Host *. Once the app is installed, that's not all. You still need to enable the extension within Safari. Go to Settings App-Safari-Extensions. Host *. Head over to your iPhone Settings app, scroll down to Safari, and then tap on Extensions. Explain the Extensions screen. Host * here, you'll see a list of extensions you've installed. Find the extension you just downloaded, in this case, AdGuard, and toggle the switch to turn it on. You might be asked to grant the extension certain permissions. Review these carefully and decide if you're comfortable granting them. Demonstrate toggling AdGuard on and reviewing permissions. Host * important. Many extensions require you to enable them on all websites or on specific websites. Choose the option that best suits your needs and privacy preferences. Briefly discuss the privacy implications of granting extensions access to all websites. Host * and that's it. The extension is now active in Safari. You might need to close and reopen Safari for the changes to take effect. Open Safari and show the extension in action, e.g., a website with no ads. Host * to manage your extensions, just go back to Settings-Safari-Extensions. From there, you can turn them on or off, change their settings, or even uninstall them. Show how to disable or uninstall an extension from Settings. Host * also, some extensions might add an icon to the Safari toolbar at the bottom of the screen. You can tap this icon to quickly access the extension's features. Show any toolbar icons the installed extensions have added. Host * so, that's how you add Safari extensions on your iPhone. It's a simple process that can really enhance your browsing experience. Experiment with different extensions to find the ones that work best for you. Back to Host on camera. Host *, I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to RoamTips.com for more iPhone tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments which Safari extensions you use and love. Outro music, up to 5 seconds. End screen with links to subscribe, watch other videos, and visit RoamTips.com.